Using this easy recipe, you can have lamb chops like this with minimal effort. To get started, you will need to make a simple marinade. First, cut and juice a lemon and place into a bowl. Next, add extra virgin olive oil, followed by thyme and rosemary. Mix well. Cover your lamb chops with the marinade. Let it sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes. You want to bring the chops close to room temperature before cooking. You may want to flip the chops at the 15-minute mark to ensure they absorb as much of the marinade as possible. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. Add extra virgin olive oil to a skillet over medium-high heat. Sear both sides of your chops, about 1 minute per side. Once seared, transfer them to a sheet pan. I recommend covering the pan with aluminum foil to make for an easy cleanup. Salt and pepper the chops on both sides to taste. Place in the oven for 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes are up, remove the sheet pan and flip over the chops. Place the pan in the oven for another 15 minutes. Once done, plate and serve hot. For the full recipe, as well as other useful information, check out the link in the description. I hope you found this recipe helpful. If you did, consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with others. If you want to see more content like this, click the subscribe button. I'd like to see you in the next video. Until then, thanks for watching, and enjoy your real, simple, and healthy life.